Good afternoon, Kanen Coffee.
Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pavoni Pico Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was just sitting there for a while and it just needed a bunch of things to be done. The base, as you can see, this one is just in really bad condition. Let me just remove all the gaskets from the machine. You can see a big hole over here, that's the newer base. Big difference. I pretty much transfer everything from this to here. We also give the machine a tune-up and we replace the flanges of the boiler base so it will be straight, and replace the gasket, the piston gasket as well, the heating element gasket, side glass casing, pretty much all these parts that you see. And now the machine. Just for comparison, let me just find a picture of how the machine was before we got to work on it. And we've been having this machine already on for a while, so yeah, there's no leaks or anything. We double check that and found pictures of it. Okay, kind of hard to see it. That was the original condition of the machine, and that's the internal parts, and you can see it was pretty bad. Now it looks beautiful. Okay, so starting with the steamer, we're gonna show you how it is. Hopefully you can see a little bit. You can just look up a little bit here. It's a little bit hot, so you don't barely see that much steam coming out of here. But these machines usually don't have a lot of steam as well. So now for the shot. Hopefully I got the grind set up correctly so we can see a shot coming out. And unfortunately I did not. It's a little bit too coarse for this machine. It's just gonna barely come out through there, and it's just gonna just pour all over. That's more like coffee than espresso. The grind need to be a little bit more finer for sure. But let me just make sure to remove these. We're back. Yeah, as you can see, the grind was pretty coarse and needed to be way more finer than this. You barely had anything out here, but water coming out of the group head, very nice. Machine working. Okay, thank you for buying Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.